good for Ramadan Kareem. Hope you're doing well. This is the IMMACULATE Show. Yeah, Ramadan is here. We have started it in a very good year and very beautiful. To all our Muslim or Muslim community, we love you so much. And to those who are non-Muslims and are staying in a Muslim country, really we wish you well, and we pray that you can adhere and follow instructions. And this one is in particular for people who are living in United Arab Emirates. You need to be attentive right now. I'll tell you some of the few things that you need to follow such that you'll make your fasting period and also Muslim fasting period very easy and very well. As you all know, United Arab Emirates is a very well organized country. It keeps rules, it keeps law, and it keeps order. So are we are supposed to do it. So if you're in United Arab Emirates in particular, I don't know other countries how they behave. In my country there is no problem, but in United Arab Emirates, these are the things we need to adhere and see. Whether we are on our journey to make money, whether we are going to work, whether we are at home or around our premises, these are the things, even with our friends. For ladies, please make sure you dress properly. When I talk about dressing properly, this is a holy month as to Muslims. What you do, I know dressing properly, we are supposed to do it every day, every time. But Dubai and UAE at large, being a tourist and a country that welcomes different kinds of people, that's why you find other days there is a flexibility in putting on. But from today or from the time of Ramadan, all of us are supposed to put on clothes that can cover our bodies. When I talk of covering our bodies, I mean our chest, our everything. As ladies, we're supposed to put on clothes that are above or that are not above our knees, at least below our knees. Let us be decent. Let us not show our cleavages. Let us not show our hands and our arms. And let's put on something that is not going to be squeezing and showing our bums, our bum bums, nyash outside. That is the number one. Then for two, please, I beg you, avoid eating in public. I know for us Christians and other people that are not involved into fasting and praying, please, we need to know that no eating in public from a certain time to a certain time. The time it comes to morning up to 6, there is no eating in public. If you want to eat, you buy your food, you go and eat it from your room, from a place where it is covered. Even if you're at work, you have to make sure that when you're going to eat, you make sure you close the pantry or the staff room and anywhere such that other people should not be tempted. I love this one because it makes people be behaved in a such way that even in eating, you'll not find us eating on the streets or buying something from the grocery and start eating. When we talk about eating, we mean even chewing gum. Chewing gum, most of us, we have a habit of going, you find we're chewing in taxis, we're chewing in buses. So that one, completely, you need to desist from it. And still on point of eating, we are talking about smoking. Also, smoking is prohibited. Get to know this. Smoking completely is prohibited. These are the most things that at least I wanted to bring to you, such that you should know. Because beyond this, you might get fines, you might land in problems, you might feel maybe unwanted, but it's not that you're not unwanted, but it's because you don't know the rules, and regulations. Then when we go to the working time is beautiful. And for people who have been in United Arab Emirates, you know, this is the time that we all always run for and crave for to have, because we work short hours in United Arab Emirates. So adhere to that. You can extend if it is you, but most of us would love to have that hour allowance. So that is good. If you're going to go to restaurants, you should know that restaurants are not opening in morning hours. All restaurants will be opening or must open the time for breaking the fast. So if you're going to, maybe you're hungry and you're an expatriate, you think, let me run to go and eat in a restaurant. You're going to go there. You're going to drive from here to Jumeirah to your beautiful restaurant that you love, and you find it is still closed. So get to know that all these things we have to make sure that we know and we adhere to them. As we always say that ignorance has no excuse. Or if you don't know these rules, you can go to the websites of Dubai, UAE. You see, you really Google and know there are a lot of things that we are not supposed to do at this time. For lovers, please, as you walk in public, there is no need for you to show the whole world that you're in love or you're married or you're a new couple, you're kissing, you're romancing. No, that one will not be there for this time. So behave yourself and know that. There's another thing I want to tell you that I always love in Dubai and UAE in particular during fasting time. Most people get free food. Yeah, when yeah, that is Dubai for you. It's the holy month. That is UAE for you. It's whole month. So be ready if you find you don't have food or yes, you're hungry. You can approach any center where they give free food. You are free to get food, free to get fruits, water, and many more other things. So, are we all set to start our Ramadan? I know we are very set to start our Ramadan, and that's why I continue to congratulate all Muslim family, and in particular the ones for Immaculate Show, the ones who see Immaculate Show, and all the visitors. That congratulations upon you reaching this holy month, and also to you all who are fasting with the Muslims, like the Christians now. This is the month, also the holy month, Lent season. We give you salute. We also wish you well. We wish you to do a real great fasting. I know for Christian their fasting is a bit quite different from the Muslims, but the concept is one. So I love you all, and the Immaculate Show is here to wish you a beautiful and great Ramadan time, great fasting time. Let us all well be behaved. Let us all follow rules and regulations. Let us not forget to also make money, because this is the time that we're supposed to give. This is the time that we're supposed to reach out to the unprivileged. This is the time that we're supposed to showcase what we have been packaging all this time. But if you know you don't have money, please don't forget to go to Market Show previous videos. We have very many ways of making money without investing in your money. Thank you very much. This has been nice being with you on the first day of Ramadan. See you, good people. Ramadan Kareem. Hope you're doing well. This is Christine on Immaculate Show. Yeah, Ramadan is here, and we have started it in a very good year and very beautiful. To all our Muslim or Muslim community, we love you so much. And to those who are non-Muslims and are staying in a Muslim country, really we wish you well, and we pray that you can adhere and follow instructions. And this one is in particular for people who are living in United Arab Emirates. You need to be attentive right now. I'll tell you some of the few things that you need to follow, such that you'll make your fasting period and also Muslim fasting period very easy and very well. As you all know, United Arab Emirates is a very well organized country. It keeps rules, it keeps law, and it keeps order. So are we are supposed to do it. So if United Arab Emirates in particular, I don't know other countries how they behave. In my country there is no problem.